I wanted to do some type of outreach with my culinary knowledge. I wasn't sure what direction that would take, and I really didn't know until the completion of my education what I wanted to do with that culinary experience. And I know that there's a huge need in the city of Fort Worth for culinary skills with outreach programs, and I felt that I wanted to give back to my community. When I was at Cuisine for Healing, I volunteered in the kitchen, and I actually did my externship through the culinary school there and worked side by side with the executive chef, learning various skills, and actually I was able to even share some of the things that I had learned at culinary school with the executive chef there. And then after she left, I served as the interim executive chef, and my primary goal was to get the kitchen organized and running efficiently. And that took me 3 months to do, and left things in good shape. Probably the biggest skills that I was able to bring to Cuisine for Healing was my knowledge of different cooking techniques, so whether it be smoking, sauteing, frying, poaching, those were techniques that I had been exposed to, but I didn't know what foods were best with certain techniques, so I was able to bring that to Cuisine for Healing. And as far as efficiency and running a smooth kitchen, one of the things that they teach you at culinary school is to be organized, to do your mise en place, and I didn't even know what mise en place was until I started culinary school. And I learned that have everything in place before you execute your recipe and think through the process, and it's just that much more efficient if you can plan it. Taste Community Restaurant is a restaurant that does not have prices on the menu, and people pay what they can pay. Their mission is to feed, educate, and serve the community so that they can taste and see that the Lord is good. And I just really believe in that mission, and it's a place where people come and they feel like they're at home in a friendly restaurant. And we have a community table, so people that come in by themselves, they can sit at the community table and engage in conversation with others, and it's just a good way for them to feel at home. I would say give it a lot of thought before you do it. I got so much out of it that I put a lot into it, and I think you have to. It's like going to school. I had homework. I had a lot of reading. I took notes. I went home and I practiced. And be serious about it. It's a big commitment. My education was amazing, and it was much more than the education itself. It was the instructors. They were so encouraging. When I first started, I didn't have a lot of confidence in my abilities, because I thought, well, there's some younger people here, they work a lot faster, and they're going to do much better, and I'm going to struggle more. But it wasn't that way at all. They just really helped me build my confidence, my self-esteem, and they encouraged me to follow my passion, and that's what I've done. And they were so supportive.